The good thing is though that with AI search, it summarizes a whole bunch of information into easily, digestible portions. Whereas the traditional search on Google and other search engines, you have to click on a link to go through to that particular page on that particular website for your query. So you have to read all this stuff that could be totally irrelevant.
Yes.
Whereas AI search and AI overview just summarizes the whole thing. So if you've got a question, it's great for questions.
That's right.
And of course, a website has to be optimized for the AI search engines and Google AI's overview to be able to find that information so you actually show up.
Exactly, and that information is about understanding the customer intent.
Yes.
What is it that they are actually looking for, aligning it with your customer need and being the answer.
Yep.
And this is, we're going to go deeper on this in another episode, but this is the crux of it as far as I can see with the small businesses we're talking to, is the content that you've been producing now has to be way more targeted than it was before.
Yes.
You can't just slap in some keywords into some blog posts every month and go, oh look, I've done my keywords, I've got my articles out there, I'm going to rank page 1, number 1 forever. It's going to be now some of these small businesses who've neglected their marketing mix with the content especially, where they're going to need to do a little bit more on a regular basis.